What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive Talk Cars, and today's episode is going to be a quick one for you guys, but I wanted to touch bases on my HyperDip front grille on my E63. Recently, I spray painted my grille. If you're not familiar with the HyperDip product, it's basically another sprayable vinyl wrap, similar to Super Wrap or Rust-Oleum, well, not Rust-Oleum, but Rust-Oleum or Plasti-Dip. So recently I went on a 500-mile trip and I wanted to see how the HyperDip held up. You know, you have rocks, other road debris, bugs. Bugs is definitely a huge thing when you take a road trip. And I wanted to show you guys the results as well. Some of you may have had some questions on what's the durability of the product, so let's see what it is. All right, so as you can see, the bumper is covered in bugs. The HyperDip right here is what I did and what I'm looking to see how it held up. I have a video of me applying this to the grill, so if you want to check that out, it's in the description down below. So the first thing we're going to do is just observe and see how it held up just to the rock chips. I don't see much and it's looking pretty good. It is a vinyl product, so it should have some type of durability on it to where it's not like paint and just chip away. So that's just debris. All in all, it looks pretty good, so let's wash it, see what happens after that. Hopefully the bugs haven't sat on there too long to where it takes off the vinyl dip, but once again, that's a test to see how durable the HyperDip product is. So if you haven't done so already, check out drivetalkcars.com. That way you can get your own merch just like this. Have hoodies, t-shirts, jet tags, and stickers. So check it out. Back to the video. So I'm using my Turtle Wax Pure Wash Slick and Slide for my washing application. Link in the description will be down below. Alright, so as you can see, the power washing doesn't affect the HyperDip as I expected. Most of the vinyl wraps are safe under power washing applications, but my tip that I'm using is the white tip, which you probably should be using anyway, so just want to give you a little tip. Okay. Alright guys, there you have it. You can see that the HyperDip held up very well. No rock chips. Even the bugs came off nice and easy. No peeling or disintegrating of the vinyl wrap, as I expected, but I wanted to check it out. I wanted to show you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me that thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button notification. That way you can see other videos like this. And check out these videos over here. And remember, do it until you can't. Till next time, I'm out.